is the freight elevator at a vacant, half-gutted building in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. There's this one, there's like a full half-inch above it goes to near the street in the entrance. This is an old Marshall C.J. Anderson block one. It has a swing door and gates. It has this wood cap with a beam on top. It's so gross because of construction debris. Force, but should be able to close this. Bunch of construction dirt, cardboard in the elevator. Jail interlock. Close it up. Certificate in the records and inspection show this works. There's a Headrick safety test tag there. We have elevator construction, which is Marshall. We have an up-to-date certificate up there. Turn on the light. There's the light. There's a one little light, like fluorescent light there. That flashlight doesn't work. Safety's also turned on. And now let's go down. Something's not shut. Hope this auto stops. But I know this is the bottom floor. Alright, let's go up. This thing is really temperamental. I don't know why it keeps failing. Something keeps slipping. I don't know what keeps happening. I don't know what's going on. I can't get it to go anymore. That's a shame. I don't know what's wrong with this elevator. There's something wrong with it. It is inspected though. Yeah, it was just inspected a few months ago. This is kind of sketchy. This is a note before I go on. That's gonna be it for now.